Lisa Ray's recipe for 2 pans of spiced pecans calls for 2.5 cups of pecans. What equation can be used to model the total cups of pecans, y, for the number of pans, x? So again, we're going to use our same equation, y equals kx, okay? And it says 2 pans uses 2.5 cups. So 2.5 pans for 2 cups. And again, I need to find the unit rate per 1 cup, okay? And that is going to be 1.25 cups or 1.25 cups. So my equation is going to be y equals 1.25x. Okay, then the last part of this says, well, how many cups would Lisa Ray need if she made 3 pans? So now we can use this equation that we've written because my constant of proportionality means that that cost stays constant, or that amount of cups stays constant, or that rate per hour stays constant, we can substitute numbers in for these variables. And in this particular problem, the number of pans is X, okay? And the total cups is Y. So if they tell me she had, if she made 3 pans, okay, X is the number of pans. So I am doing Y equals 1.25 times the number of pans, and I can substitute that number into my equation. And then I can just multiply 1.25 times 3, and that's going to give me 3.75 cups in 3 pans. Okay, you're going to need 3 3/4 cups of pecans to make 3 pans of spiced pecans. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Feng's parents will allow him to play video games for 1.5 hours every 3 days. So 1.5 hours for 3 days. Okay, what equation can be used to model the total time Feng can play video games in X days? So again, y equals kx. Find my unit rate, which means I divide. I'm going to get half hour per day. Okay, which makes my equation y equals 0.5x. It says how many hours can Feng play in 7 days? And again, in this one, x equals the number of days, so I'm substituting in for x. So y equals 0.5 times 7. When I multiply that out, y equals 3.5. Okay, which means Feng can play 3.5 hours of video games in 7 days. Okay, there's several more that you can try on your own.